National Vice President ke National People's Party ubak Preston Tensong ulapen pau baka parti kam don ke nu ke jingsngewthuh jingmut bat kiwei pat ki seng san perthai ha ka bay dai baka jingpen kre ke election ke banlong ha ka arf nyau tarek bantau benai rempang na ka benta banjet yakinong mikmat sa ying dorba thau an ke jella yakni ubak Preston Tensong ulapen pau ha bay kran bakilat pathai kubor menta ka singi ka arpoi tarek rempang arjal arpulai ha ka ba ulaben rap baka parti NPP kan ïaid la ka jong ha ka jingpen kre yakani ke election
Menta naman ngiti kena bengin cross ya ke lypa South Seat. But sisil mengiyo kamta kamu ngin sensyar marwei. Kata ba saya kedan ngin sensyar marwei ngim not kam ya nur but ngin sensyar da ka ba khoi dak basuba but kam tam ba ngin ai ya ka stability but kumju ru ka governance ka ba hatam ha bengiyo single majority ha ka ni ka tem ka See, from Congress, whatever you do, any state which is non-Congress government state, let me just tell you, they do have this reason to say here, there, this and that. But let me tell you the reality. The reality is what? If he says that, why then BJP leadership from Delhi itself, they are attacking us, they are attacking NPP. If Kyrwoh says that yes, BJP did not say anything against NPP, yes, you may say it seems there's something wrong somewhere where maybe they must be having a secret deal or secret mutual understanding for this coming general election. But let me tell you very, very frankly, we don't have any kind of arrangement, we don't have any understanding with the BJP or with any other political parties. We stand on our own, and I'm very sure people of the state will also realize this, because see now after almost 50 years no political party alone who can cross the required number except in the year 1972. So I would like to appeal to request the voters of the state, this time I think we need to go back to the history, we repeat history for the stability and also to be able the new political party who will take over the government to complete and accomplish those agendas and those pending issues which is lying before us.
BJP promises to empower the farmers of Meghalaya by giving annual allowance of Rs 8,000 to farmers and Rs 3,000 to landless farmers per year. This 27th February, vote for a stronger BJP for a stronger Meghalaya.
Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, corruption-free Meghalaya, by bringing in new transparency law against corruption with total transparency in all state government dealing.
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Meghalaya TMC kawan Rakshapi ya kamai kan anda ka TMC kan thau sarkar ka Meghalaya TMC kan pinmi lailak teli ki kam habo kini kisan snem manwan barkum juru ban ajing rap pisa ka belong syajar dikashi benai kata khat arjar dikashi snem ka barok ki samla ki bampat dan ni ka kam ka jam
hakane ka ap nyau trek urumphang shan ya ka sap jong phi haki artli ki sentil bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC